Hello from Ukraine, guys, and thank you for your support. Let's pretend you've got my preset. So after downloading that preset, you will have the zip file. So you should unzip it, and you will have the folder called ShaperBox 3.5.1. If you go inside, there are three folders: FXP presets, which is actually presets, 92 of mine presets, favorite waves, which is new for the ShaperBox version 3.5.1, and ShaperBox user reverbs. So for the beginning, you should, of course, update your ShaperBox to version 3.5.1 and actually set up your ShaperBox. So press on hamburger and make sure in settings to enable anti-click, trigger smoothing, and reserve drive shape latency. This will ensure that all your work with ShaperBox will be stable, consistent, and without bugs. As you see here, I'm using OpenGL of my graphics card, but if you experience some graphics problems, graphics glitches, I recommend to disable this one. So now go to Noise and Reverb files and select Show User Reverb folder. This screen appears and press on Open Folder button. This is your path to your factory ShaperBox user reverbs. And inside ShaperBox 3 user reverbs, you see all this stuff. So select all, right-click by mouse and select Copy. Then go to your factory ShaperBox user reverbs and here right-click and select Paste. And your ShaperBox 3 user reverbs folder will look like this, okay? The next step is to import favorites. So go to hamburger menu. Make sure to back up your favorites, your favorite waves, because if you import my favorite waves, you will lose yours, okay? And if you press on import, you will see the attention window and message about this will replace the favorite waves in every shaper, because favorite waves is actually for every ShaperBox shaper module. Do you want to continue? Yeah, definitely. So go to favorite waves and double click or click and press open button on NDWX favorite waves. Okay, you're good to go. So when you insert any module and go to bottom of the plugins GUI, favorites button, you will actually see my custom favorite forms. For example, reverb, also favorites, different interesting shapes. It will save you tons of time, believe me. And for reverb module, you will actually see in the factory list of the impulses, user impulses. Here's 80 snares, chambers, guitar cabinets, speakers, small speakers, spring reverbs, and magic pseudo stereo impulse from Lexicon LX for 80 hardware. So this is it. But the main question is how to load the presets. And the solution offered by the cable guys is very simple. You can load and save one by one any of your presets, so press Load FXP. And here you can select any of the presets. Please take a look. I marked all of the presets with the category, with the actual category. BS is actually bass. DR is actually drums, FX is actually FX, LD is lead synths, SC is sidechain, and Vogue is amazing vocal effects. But you can experiment with all these presets on any other materials. For example, you can experiment with drums or bass presets on vocals, etc. So let's try these presets in mix context. Press on hamburger in it, and let's listen to the very cheesy standard drum loop. Etc. So as you see, it's very easy, but the problem is actually you must every time click on hamburger and load FXP. If you don't like, as myself, this system, so you should load one by one all of the presets and resave it in your account of Cable Guys system. So press hamburger, load FXP, load preset, and then press on hamburger and press save. Here you can specify any name. You can copy my name of the preset. Or you can use your own file name. Then after you add all of the presets, I recommend you to press on sync button, and your local presets will synchronize with the cloud. So you will never lost your awesome presets, guys. Thank you very much again for your support. Please check endivax.com for additional presets, impulses, and samples. Thank you and bye-bye. Peace.